Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best digital picture frames in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Nixplay 10.1 Digital Frame, connecting families and friends. Another design feature we like is the slick, compact remote control. It has just enough buttons to not be overwhelming, it's responsive from a good distance away, and it's magnetic, so you can keep it tucked behind the frame and not worry about losing it. Yes, that means the frame isn't touchscreen, but when you think about it, why would you want to leave fingerprint smudges on your beautiful LED screen? The frame also features a motion sensor to keep the frame from displaying to an empty room and integrates with Amazon or Google smart home speakers. Images are quick to load onto the frame, and once the slideshow turns on, those images are crisp and vibrant on screen. That's no small task for a frame that solely depends on Wi-Fi to work. There is no way to physically upload content. Number 4. BESA IMB 32GB Wi-Fi Digital Picture Frame, 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen HE display, smart electronic photo frame, easy setup to upload photos and videos from anywhere via app/email, gift for grandparents. Out of the box, the most impressive thing about the BZIM digital picture frame is its design. With a fox white mat surrounding the display, it actually looks like a classic picture frame. That's symbolic of the product itself because while it costs less than many electronic frames on the market, its features allow it to stand up to more expensive models. Images have surprising depth and vibrancy, on par with a frame that costs twice as much. And that isn't even the best part of the display. Videos are incredibly sharp and sound clear, even when uploaded via email. The BZIM video playback performed the best of all the frames we found. Users can upload content via microSD, the app, email, or social media. The app was simplistic and sparse, but that's not necessarily a bad thing if you, or the people you're giving the frame to, are not as tech-savvy. Number 3. AEZO 10.1-inch Wi-Fi Digital Picture Frame, IPS Touchscreen Smart Cloud Photo Frame with 16 GB storage, easy setup to share photos or videos via FrameUAP, auto-rotate, wall-mountable, black. This frame came close to taking the top spot on this list with image quality greater than almost every frame we found. High-resolution images look close to lifelike, while maintaining balance and depth, even in black and white. Videos show up clear and smooth, though the audio is a bit washed out. This frame shares the Frameo app with some other competitors, though we don't mind. The app itself is slick and simple to use, even for a tech novice. Users can upload photos, but not videos, through the SD card slot in the back. The Frameo app can upload videos, but they're limited to 15 seconds. AEZO also doesn't support HEIC files. Finally, the frame itself is pretty plain looking, and the integrated power plug/frame stand is fairly wobbly. Number 2. Aura Mason Smart Digital Picture Frame 9-inch free unlimited storage HD Wi-Fi frame, the best way to share photos feel together from away. The display of the Aura Mason is drop-dead gorgeous, easily the most photorealistic of the ones we found. We're willing to bet if you were to put it alongside other regular frames, most people wouldn't even be able to tell it's digital. Images are acutely detailed and the dark stunningly deep. The frame almost looks like it's molded out of clay instead of plastic, and it has some serious heft to it. Even the super long power cord is made of woven cotton instead of the typical PVC. A nice touch, gifters have the option of using a gift mode so they can upload photos for the recipient before the box is even opened for the first time. All of that considerate design work is why it's so heartbreaking that the user interface for this product is just so frustrating. Number 1. FeelCare 10-inch Wi-Fi Digital Picture Frame, electronic, wall-mountable smart frames, Frameo app, send photos and videos from anywhere, IPS LCD panel, touchscreen portrait, and landscape display black. This frame falls solidly in the middle of the pack in terms of design and function. Images are surprisingly sharp and colorful, while black and white photos have wonderful contrast and clarity. We like the use of the Frameo app, but it's disappointing that there's no way to email content to the frame. Because it depends on the Frameo app, there isn't really much inside the frame's user interface. Touching the photo on the smart display screen will bring up a few buttons that can bring you back to the main gallery, and that's about it. If you want to change the settings, say to adjust the brightness, you'll have to go digging. The good news is this product has auto rotation. So if you want to change the orientation for a portrait photo, turn the frame on its side. Just make sure to move the stand rod first.